Select OBD2. This goes through these different protocols and detects which one is on this vehicle. And then here there is a summary. It tells you if any codes are found. DTC stands for Diagnostic Trouble Codes, and there is one also referred as fault codes. Readiness completed is 9 and not completed is 0. This is important because if you have readiness not completed, if you have more than 1 or 2 here, that means that the battery was either just disconnected or you erased the codes. And if you have numbers here not ready or not completed, you cannot take your car for a state emission test because it will fail, and I'll tell you to just go drive the car a little bit more and come back in a few days. We'll press OK to confirm, and then here we can read codes or rate codes, check emission readiness, look at data stream, freeze frame, oxygen 2 sensor test. There's more on this evap system test, but we're going to focus on reading and clearing codes. In this case, we go to read codes, and then you can see camshaft position sensor, circuit range performance, bank 1, or single sensor. So you can write that code. The code is right there. The code, once you write it down, you can go ahead and do some research and see what that means for your particular make and model. And over here you can see how many codes we have. This is just the same code, but it's shown twice right here. Once you review all the codes, the arrows here, you can press escape, and then now once you do have the codes and you find out what the problem is and you do fix that, then after that you'll come back in here and plug in the scanner. It will power on again, and then this time you go to erase codes, and then it says clear reset emission related diagnostic information. Are you sure? I'll say okay. If you do clear the codes without fixing the problem, what will happen is the check engine light will come back on. Sometimes it can come back right away, or sometimes it can take a couple 2-3 days for it to come back on. If you erase codes without fixing the problem, also keep in mind that your vehicle will not, you can't take it for an emission test right away, because all these right here, emission readiness, they'll be not ready. So if you go here and see, you can see these monitors are all okay, but if they say not ready, then you won't be able to pass emission. So anyway, that's it as far as reading and clearing codes.